Hello everyone, my name is Abisha Clark. I am a future barrister.
My name is Raphael Chibike, and we are the lawyers. A lawyer is a licensed profession who advises clients on legal materials representing them in court.
Hey everyone, my name is Zuba Kwanedika. I'm here to say the good qualities of a lawyer. Number one, creative. Number two, attention to detail. Number three, reading comprehension. Number four, confidence. Number five, continuous learning. Number six, good listening. Number seven, good judgment. Thank you. My name is Abisha. Number one, lawyer provide legal advice. Lawyers advise clients on legal issues and how to navigate the legal system. Number two, lawyer represent clients in court, prepare cases, argue in court and introduce evidence. Thank you.
Good day, everyone. My name is Chukwemeka Chinoso. I am here to tell you what inspires me to be a lawyer. Number one, it is a fascinating and broad discipline. Number two, independence. Number three, I am drawn to legal profession because it offers me a dynamic and challenging environment that will allow me to grow and learn both professionally and personally. Furthermore, a lawyer is not a job but a responsibility to uphold justice, fairness, and equality in the society. Thank you.
It's really nice to be here to share about the legal profession. I want to appreciate the management of the school for the invite to come here. Thank you very much, ma'am. Thank you, everyone. So, down to why we should be interested in the legal profession. Okay, let me start with what lawyers do. I'm sure we've seen a couple of stickers around on cars that says in pidgin, waiting lawyers they do say. So it goes to say that the question of what lawyers do is always on people's mind. And to explain that, I'd like a little illustration. So what? Abisha, let's paint a scenario. So assuming when I walked in here this morning, I came with a bag full of beads, different colors of beads. And I asked you and your friends, maybe two of you, to help me sort the beads in colors. And I promised that when you do that successfully, I will pay you, say, 1,000 naira each. And you put into work, you sorted the beads, and when you were done, I looked you in your face and said, you know what, I'm not going to pay you. What have I done? That's injustice. You're correct. So lawyers are out there to protect their clients, to ensure fairness, to ensure that when there's an injustice, you are able to come into a lawyer's office, make a complaint, tell the lawyer that this and this and this is what happened, and I want this person to be forced to perform the contract or the agreement, as the case may be. So whenever there is an issue of disagreement or when there is a problem, lawyers come in to ensure that the party who has been aggrieved get justice. The lawyers are also there to defend you. So assuming there's a problem, assuming you get into trouble for something you probably didn't do, a lawyer is there to explore the law, look for defenses, look for avenues to get you out of that trouble, get you out of that problem. Lawyers basically are just there to ensure that everybody is happy. That's what a lawyer is being paid for. How to become a lawyer. I understand that we are dealing with primary school pupils, and so skills required to become a lawyer from a very young age are reading, writing, critical thinking, patience, speaking fluently, your ability to communicate your thoughts and opinions clearly, being confident and courageous, and listening. Listening is very important because when clients come to you with their problems, with their challenges, you are required to listen to them. It's in listening to them and asking questions that you are able to provide a solution to their problems ultimately. So these are the skills you need to hone, you need to develop, and how you do that is by reading anything you see, be it magazine, be it storybooks, be it your textbooks. You read as much as you can, and then in your free time, write. You can write poems, you can write fiction. Growing up, I used to like to write fiction. Have a lot of uncompleted stories. So you can write as much as you can. And then when you proceed to secondary school, you have to go to the art class. I like to correct a notion. People in the art class are not less intelligent than those in the science class. We all pursue different passions. Some people are taken to art class because of their passion, not because they cannot deal with mathematics. And that was my case. So I don't like it when people say, oh, it's because you're not intelligent, that's why you're in art class. That's not correct. So when you get to that point, you can always make a decision to go to the art class, study literature, English, government or history as the case may be, religious studies, and then boom, you are in the university studying law. And after that, you come to the bar and then you become a lawyer. There are different categories of law practice. You have those at the bar and those at the bench. Those at the bench are the judges, the magistrates, the Supreme Court judges, justices, the presidents of Court of Appeal, and the rest of them. And those at the bar are lawyers like me, those practicing different areas of law. Law has different areas of practice. You have the corporate commercial, you have the litigation, you have those in energy law, you have those in entertainment law, sports, medical, different categories. And everybody is doing the same thing, ensuring their clients are safe. So when things happen, what lawyers do essentially is think outside the box. How do I protect my clients? How do I help this person come out of trouble? So even when the person is telling you to be honest, it was me, I did it. What lawyers are looking for is how to mitigate the damage. That's what you pay a lawyer for. You pay a lawyer to think how to help you come out of that problem, come out of that situation. So lawyers don't lie. They explore the law, find loopholes, find situations where this problem can be solved or can be mitigated. We can reduce the sentence, we can reduce the problem, and essentially.